Hello audience, welcome to new another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram voice message not playing problem. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. At first, your phone settings. Now scroll down. Now click apps. Now search Instagram account. Instagram apps. Now click Instagram. Now click storage. Now click clear cache and clear data. Now click permissions. Allow this all permission. Now go back. Now click your Play Store. Check your Instagram update. Search Instagram. Instagram update. Updating. Instagram update. Now your phone restart. Now your phone restart. Hopefully your problem solved. Thank you for my watching. Now subscribe my YouTube channel.